YouTube? The shop got a new toy. So I've been looking for a disc sander and a belt sander for a very long time. I wanted a 12-inch disc and I wanted a 6x48 belt, and I finally stumbled upon an actual US made Delta brand sander. I picked it up for 375 bucks. It came with multiple discs. I have a bunch of different discs. I have a few belts in here. It works perfect. It's a 1.5-horse power motor, 220 power, and it's just everything I could ever dream of. I'm just gonna kind of boast about my Craigslist pickup of the week and show you guys that if you don't already own one, that you need to look on Craigslist, or if you have a lot of money, go just buy one brand new. But you definitely, if you're doing fabrication work, this beats a freaking hand grinder all day long, even a bench grinder, because you don't get all that fiberglass floating around in your shop everywhere. It just leaves little tiny metal shavings and that's it. So let's get to it. Let's see what we'll do. So if you want to bevel some metal, say this tube right here, this square tube, to prep it for welding, look how fast and efficient this machine does it. It's a metal removing machine. Boom. Perfectly beveled, easy, no real cleanup really. Oh. Just Craigslist come up of the week, you know. Been really busy lately, haven't been able to post any videos or make any cool things, but I definitely have a lot of builds in the process. I'm still gonna build my shop truck. I still got a rear bumper to build for the Power Stroke. And my neighbors are wanting a bunch of things built also, so stay tuned. So since I bought this machine, I haven't really had time to play with it, haven't built anything in the shop lately, just been working way too much to even step foot in my shop. I'm surprised I'm out here filming this video, just trying to get as much content as I can out weekly. I'm going to try to post at least one video a week, and that's not even as much as I want to, but let's try out this belt side. The belt's kind of toast. It's been used, but like I said, it comes with more, so I'll have to swap that belt out. But let's try it just with this belt and see what we do. This machine, belt side, this side, it's just a metal removing machine, man. That's some thick steel. That's 1/4 inch 4x4 tube, and it's just eating it alive. I'm totally excited for this machine. So pretty much, moral of the story is, I'm gonna start posting videos way more frequently than I have been. At least a video a week. So stay tuned for that. And I just wanted to boast about my cool pickup because that machine behind me brand new would cost over $1,500. So I'm really excited that I got it. I almost pulled the trigger on a brand new one a few months ago, and extremely glad that I haven't because I just got that thing. Even though that thing's probably from 70s, it still runs perfect, powerful, everything. Just got to put the consumables on it that it's going to need and it'll be awesome. So thanks for watching another YouTube video from yours truly, Transfabs, and go build something. Yeah, talking to you. Go build something, rah!